sandwich Saturday. Here we go, nice and easy. Fried onions with cheese under the grill or in the press grill. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so what we got here? Grated cheddar. I'm using a nice mature, nice sharp kind of flavour to it, that one. You could be using something a little bit more mild if you want. Here I've got one onion red, sliced up, tiny amount of garlic, like a, just under a teaspoon, bit of black pepper, and optional, some chili flakes or some cayenne pepper if you want. I like that little spice in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna first cook our onions, garlic, and these two together. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. Could be using butter if you want. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this because I think the cheese is going to be salty enough. Add salt if you want. But here we go. In go the onions, the little bit of garlic, black pepper, little bit of chili flakes, or like I say, cayenne, which is optional. We're going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so onions are done there. Cook them how you like. I like them just like that. Cheese in this bowl. I've got a little bit of butter. What we're going to do is get our onions in there. Grab some cheese. And then what we're going to do, we're going to mix that together. Okay, and there you go, you've got an amazing little mix there. Now I like to mix the onions and the cheese together so it really kind of combines really nicely and is nice and even within the sandwich. Let's move on. Okay, so the bread, I'm using a white bread. As you can see, what I've done is I've buttered one side, and that's going to be the outer side. So we're going to flip these over. And then we're going to get some of our cheese onto 2 of them. Looks amazing. We're going to spread that out, then we're ready. Okay, so buttered side facing up, the filling's in. Let's stick it on our grill. Okay, so my grill is on. I like to have it on maximum heat. All the grills are going to be different that you have. Simply, let's pop that on there. Pop that on there. We're going to close it and we're going to come back in about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on your grill. Okay, let's take a look now. 3 or 4 minutes in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is looking beautiful. I like it just like that. The cheese would have just started to melt now. You could go a little bit longer if you want and brown it. I'll tell you what, let's go a little bit longer, another minute or so. I like the look of these. Beautiful, beautiful. I like them just this colour. You could be doing them a little bit longer. So taste. Oh wow. Super duper duper. See you later.